Hello and welcome to a new lesson, The Hindu or Indian Linguistic Tradition, a short history of linguistics, Lecture 3, Origin of Hindu Tradition. The Hindu tradition of linguistics has its origin in the first millennium BC. It took an active part in the development of linguistic studies. We have some more ideas about the Hindu tradition. Setting out rules, how Hindu tradition of linguistics set out rules for the grammar in the ancient time. The Hindu tradition witnessed a kind of grammatical analysis which had greater influence on the growth of linguistic science. In fact, it set out rules for the ancient language. We have some more ideas about this tradition. Panini is one of the most renowned figures in the field of linguistics in the ancient time. The most renowned grammarian during this tradition was Panini. He was known for his in-depth work on Sanskrit. We continue with some more ideas about Panini. According to Robbins 1967 and Otto Jesperson 1922, his work on Sanskrit on the structure of words was superior to any grammar of any language before him. We have some more ideas to share about Panini. Robbins described his grammar as exhaustive, economical, and consistent. The main part of the work has about 4,000 rules which are ordered in sequence. Lyons 1968-19. We continue our discussion. How Sanskrit as a classical language was recognized by the Western scholar. By the middle of the 19th century, the Western scholars had discovered the existence of Sanskrit. This discovery actually led to the development of philology. We continue our discussion about Indian grammarians, that is to say, the grammarians who contributed during the time of Hindu tradition. In general, the focus of the Indian grammarians was to compile the sacred Hindu texts. Their contributions are also acknowledged in how they showed distinction between the class of nouns and verbs in grammar. We have some more ideas. Superior to Western tradition, how Hindu tradition was far superior during that time to any other tradition. Unarguably, the Hindu or Indian linguistic tradition was believed to be far superior to Western tradition in the areas of phonetics and word structure. It surpassed anything done in Europe for a very long time. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.